Today's episode of Blue is called Finish Fixing the Fucking Drywall, Mate. We're gonna be reinstalling this last 3-inch circle bit here and then doing some drywall mud, and you're gonna need a drywall bucket like this. Hey, bud. What's going on? Are you stuck in there, bud? Well, let's get you out, mate. What's your name? Is it Philip? I'm just gonna go ahead and call you Philip. Go ahead and get on the stick. Trust me. Trust. There we are, bud. Oh, Philip. Come here, Philip. You bastard. You're safe. All right, well, fuck off. I was gonna let you outside, but Philip, if I step on you, I'm gonna feel bad. I did watch a 4-minute YouTube video on this prior to doing it, so I am an expert. We cut up some paint sticks, 7 inches. You just want it longer than the 3-inch circle, obviously. And we're just gonna head up here, bud. Righto, so we got the subcompact Jackson right here with some drywall screws, STS Auto Design magneto attachment. Very nice for screws and bolts and bits. So you can beep, pop, boop. You know what I'm saying. So we'll put one of them on there. And we're gonna go ahead and grab a stick. And we're just gonna tuck that. Little tucky tuck. And we're just gonna go ahead and stick our finger behind here. And screw you on in, mate. All right, make sure the screw is recessed in the drywall enough. Okay, that should be good. And grab another screw. And we'll just set you in here, bud. Little more quarter turn for you, bud. Oh! Woo! Little much. She's good, though. I have just been putting a screw right in the center. Some of them, I put them not in the center because the hole was a little bit too big, but either way, should work out, bud. You just want a little something, something for it to be supported by. Set you back down, and we are ready to get some drywall mud up on now. I got this 8-inch spatula. I think it's a 6-inch spatula. And we got a little plastic spatula. You should go ahead and grab some of this. Toss it right up in there. We'll get quite a bit. All right, mate, that should be good. Little scrapey poodle. Okay, and again, I am a professional at this, so anything that you see that you don't agree with, you're just simply wrong, all right? All right. Grab your bucket. We're gonna head up here, bud, and we're done with you. Go ahead and gently toss you down. Philip! Where are you, Philip? Good luck, mate. So, we got this lovely circle here. I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a base coat. That's a bit much. Definitely been overdoing it a little bit on some of them. But like I said, I am a professional. You're gonna wanna press that so it can actually fill in that gap there, bud. Get some drywall paper going on. Oh, let's get a nice clean edge here. We're just gonna lay you down. Something like that. Now, something I learned with this, definitely want to apply some force. So we're just gonna give her some tappies. Work our way down, past the circle dingus, and that's a clean rip for you, bud. Give that a little smooth action. All right. And we're gonna cover up this side again. Oh. Definitely press her in a wee bit. You want it as recessed as possible. Okay. Again, clean rip. Beautiful, done with that. And we'll just work her in, bud. Not too hard, or you will move the tape. See the circles nice and covered. Get some more of this. And we're just gonna give her a nice cream cheese smear here. So it's just like a bagel really, with a large butter knife. So noticed you gotta find the right pressure and speed. You don't want too many bubbles. You also don't want to apply too much of the mud, or you'll have a lot of sanding to do. All right. I'd say that's pretty good, bud. All right, make sure you goober that back down there. Lots of scraping like that, slap it around. Also, I insulated the attic. Suppose I'll show you that as a finale to the video, but yeah, bud, that's basically it. Now you just gotta do that one, 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 and that one. All right, Philip. Where are you, Philip? Also got a trash bag hooked to the ladder. It's a workbench, you see. It's a workstation. We got a paint stick. Let's actually take this down so I'm not knocking it off with my feet. Alright, let's peek a gander in this here attic. Show you how an expert insulates. Come on now. Just lay you back there, bud. Come on. Okay. I don't know if y'all are ready for this, but it's quite fantastic in here. So, I did not fall through the drywall. I did a pretty good job, if you ask me. So we got forbidden pink cotton candy on about 80% of the attic here. Just one layer. This is R15. And didn't quite buy enough, so I went ahead and fluffed up the cellulose by hand, which, by the way, cellulose is just literally paper and cardboard that I paid for. And you can see this lovely wiring job going on here. We really like that, but most of all, I think I did a pretty good job on the insulation here, bud. Don't eat this, by the way. You don't want to eat that. I'm telling you right now. Let's get you back on here. Yeah, lovely mud job all around this garage, I must say. I mean, that is just flawless, if you ask me. Hey, bud. How you doing? I was worried I stepped on you. Let me know when you want outside. All right? I'm trying to build this garage in 4 months' time while they're building houses every other day over here. It's a little discouraging, but it's all good. I'm not too upset about it. Slap that stuff on there. Real nice, Clark. Now remember, Philip, they hate us because they ain't us. Pivot. 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 Whoop. Pivot. Get. Pivot. We don't need this. We're done. We're done with the installation. Finally. Behind me, Satan. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my favorite activity, although it is better than the insulation situation that I went through. Definitely. Stick. And stick. Find it. Find it. And become one. Oh, see, we're slipping. never get caught slipping. Oh yeah, someone's gonna have some choice words for me in the comments. I know that much. I need a clean spatula. That's my problem. Not the fact that I'm no good. Twofer. Tape. Philip! But you make it all around the garage? I wouldn't touch that, dude. I wouldn't touch that. For real. Think you can do better, bud? Give it a go. Fucking thought so. Fuck out of here, Philip. Trying to get shit done. You're just using your little spidey webs, fucking around. Appreciate you not jumping on me, Philip. I don't think you can jump. I'm not trying to diss you, I just really don't think you can jump. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, doesn't help me worth a damn. I can't wait for the comments. People tell me how bad I am at this. But I'll tell you what, definitely saving some $1 aren't I? Yes, we are. Important to reseal that bad boy. We got a grip mat and a bolster right here that we are getting the mud on. Very nice. We also got this guy, which I don't know. This is like a joint paper. Yeah, seems they are same, but different. Let's try this one. Tape application. Firm pressure right about there. Do this. Do a little flip. Nice. Scoop. Bam. Apply directly to the affected area. This concludes how to fill up. Dude, I swear, bro just wants to hang out with me.